one here is your antenna. I guess it'd be like an element wire. So what you do with that one is you take your antenna right here, flip this over, take the antenna and screw it down. So this way that is in there tight. Okay, I got that one in too tight. And for all purposes, we'll disconnect the ground from the ground right here. Click that up, let that go up. About right there will do us. Lock them. Right now we're pretty good right there.
Yep,
So
looks
we'll
pretty
take
good.
the ground and drive that in right like that. Take the NBP wire